First, download it from the official website visualstudio.microsoft.com. There you can download the Community Edition 2022. Run the setup for Visual Studio installer. When it finishes, this window will open where you can select the workloads you want to install in your IDE. Workloads are groups of features. If you want to develop in C++, select Desktop Development in C++. There are also workloads for develop in Unity and Unreal. After you select the workloads you want, click Install and it will start downloading and installing the features on your IDE. Anytime you want to update your IDE or install new features, you can use Visual Studio Installer. When developing for Unity or Unreal, the engine will create a project for you. If you want to develop your own software in C++, create a new project, select Console App, choose a name for your project, and click Create. The project will be created with a Hello World file with some chips commented on it. See you next time. Bye.